Gold against US dollar yesterday has increased in value, and it has done what has been analyzed yesterday, what was predicted in the yesterday analysis. If you have not watched, feel free to check the playlist from yesterday. Now what I can see on the market. After the price formed this small candle with a small body with higher and larger wicks on the upper and the lower side, we can see that yesterday complete day was a bullish, where the price did not create any kind of larger wicks. Small wick on the lower side and even smaller on the upper side. But the price has reached a 2450.58, which is currently all-time high price level. The price has gone all the way up to here, where it currently is around 2481.99. Now the price has created a bullish breakout above this stronger resistance level 2450.58, and currently it's trying to reach even higher price levels. Now after the price has reached this all-time high price level, I have created the next resistance level where the price could reach, and that is 2550.00, and that is because I have used Fibonacci expansion levels to see where is potentially resistance and support levels. This one is shown as the next one, so I have put this one visible here on the chart. So this is the next target, which is also a monthly time frame resistance level. Now what we can expect. Currently, after the price has reached this all-time high price level, there is a high probability that the price will trace down very close to 2450.58 just to confirm this as a support level. There is also an option that the price returns all the way back down to the 2390.94. But currently how the market looks, and we can see the market looks very strongly bullish. I do not see very quick solution from the gold that it will go down very high. So I think there is a high probability that the price will continue to rise in value and reaching higher price levels, which will be between this support level 2450.58 and 2550.00. Now what are the levels in between where the price could reach and also then return back down? This is something that I will share inside the Telegram group with the trades on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that visible here. I have created also a support and resistance levels on the smaller time frame, like 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, where I have put these levels just to easily watch what could happen around these resistance levels, price levels. Now where the price will bounce, will the price currently return all the way back down, and we can see that on the 4-hour time frame to 2450.58, or it will return all the way back down to 2426.48, which is currently a 4-hour time frame support level. This is something that needs to be watched during the day on the daily basis. Now how the market reacts and currently how it looks. For me, currently everything looks bullish because we can see a strong movement from the price, where the price yesterday did not find any kind of a resistance, at least some kind of a strong resistance like this kind of a wick on the upper side. Here it is, or in this case in the past when the price has reached this resistance level. So everything's still open, everything can happen. So this is something that we need to watch. We need to watch to see how the price will behave around these price levels. Now this is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.